Until this evening, or till today, I never realised that coming from an RAF family could be such a drawback. Every time I've mentioned it, people have muttered sympathetically towards me. However, I shall try and cope. And I would point out, of course, that since I originally came from Hamble, I do at least have a whiff of sea salt in my veins, if nothing else. And, of course, Hamble is in Hampshire, which brings me immediately to our first piece of music this evening. Because, of course, Hampshire is where Broadlands is, the home of the late Earl Mountbatten, who, of course, gave his name to these concerts, and Broadlands was the inspiration for the first piece of music. The second piece of music takes us back to 1545, when a ship called the Mary Rose turned turtle in front of Henry VIII and sank into the Solent. She's been there ever since. This year, it's hoped they're going to bring her up back to the surface, so in a sense, this piece of music is for her.